Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel, The Little Debo Show. Today is our second day in Washington DC and our last day, and today we have plans to go visit the Smithsonian Zoo. We are on our way actually. We did not have breakfast, but we did bring some snacks with us. We are 2 minutes away, we are already there, and I think it's going to be fun watching all these animals. So yeah, I'll video when we are entering the zoo. We are at the zoo right now and going to the American Trail because in 15 minutes there is going to be a sea lion demo. You want to see that? I think. Is this Elephant Trail or was it down there? So it's open area. The sun is up. Oh, this is Elephant Trail. There's the sign. The sun is out, but it is so windy that it's pretty cold here. Everybody is wearing hats and everything, and this guy is only wearing a light coat. Here are all the elephants.
His eyes are so big, he's so cute. Guys, find this.
It can see us, right?
Flo, you do it. Everyone else back away.
No,
only Flo.
Flo, go on your stomach and roll.
Flo, roll your stomach.
Yeah, on your stomach and roll.
Oh my god.
Do it again.
Do it again.
Up and down. Keep going. Keep going. No, more longer.
One way.
Yeah.
Oh. Oh my god. Wow, this is.
Get on all fours and go on left to right. Yeah.
There's a pink bird right there. Oh my god. He's trying to come down. Okay. Doesn't care that there are so many humans here. This is a mata. I don't know what that is. Looks like a tortoise turtle.
You can see its little face here.
It's the face right there. Cute face. And now we have something that I absolutely hate. Snakes. Slytherins. These fishes are so beautiful. Crimson red head. So we are on the top floor of that same Amazon building. There's a little bird here. It looks like an entire jungle. Look at this big, huge tree with that bird. What type of bird is that? Black and yellow? It's the name of the trees. This fish right here Check out my color of the nail. And then the fish, I don't know if you can see, if it comes up, when it comes to the surface, it has this, like my nail, like that, like this shiny coating on it, the same color as my nails. Okay, there is the fish right there, and you can see the green metallic hue on it. Same. This is an African clawed frog. It doesn't have webbed feet, it has claws.
Swimming.
Where? Oh yeah, look at these. Looks like dead. Are they dead?
No, it's just swimming.
Where are they swimming? They're not moving.
It just swam over there, just moved. There they are, the king of the jungle. In all their majesty.
Two
Giving
male
us the
heads.
cold shoulder.
Look at the face. Can you see the face?
Yep.
What is it smelling? The fresh spring air?
I don't know.
Oh my god, it's getting up. Look. I'm just gonna go and sit beside that one.
Gonna huddle together for warmth.
They have enough man. What is on the other side? Is there food? They keep going there. Komodo dragon. See, it's slobbering.
Its saliva is poisonous. There's all sorts of bacteria in it.
What the hell is this? See, it's moving. See this one? What is this? Some lizard. Go see the name. What is it? Oh my god.
I could like stay here all day watching that. It's so cool. That silverback is like huge. Absolutely huge.
That's an old woman.
Which one?
One sitting up. And then one male. Just one male. That's a woman too. I think that's a younger one. It's a younger woman. Oh, is that a male too? Yeah, that's a male too. So two males.
What's up, mister?
They're trying to threaten the not true cobra.
Yeah.
It doesn't care, okay?
It's not very recommended.
What are you showing it?
Picture of our fish.
Why?
Sí, pero... John.
This is a alligator snapping turtle. Look at the size of this thing. It opened its mouth. It showed the water bottle. Look, it's looking. I actually saw it jump like... It's doing the same thing. Yeah. This is a brush-tailed bettong, endangered, from Australia. Mite.
Must be a nocturnal idiot.
looks like a kangaroo and a rat mix. So today has been so hectic. I haven't had time to video anything after we came out of the zoo. But we did some shopping and I'll show you what I bought when we go back to the hotel. And right now we are at a restaurant. It's very loud, I don't know if you can hear me. The parking has been so terrible. We were roaming around the block for 5 minutes straight to find a parking spot. And still we had to park a block away and then run to this restaurant. We had to run to this restaurant, right?
Yeah.
Because it was almost our reservation time. So we were like 4 minutes.
Yes,
4 minutes late. We were 4 minutes late into the hotel, restaurant. And now they've given us some bread and some butter.
Sparkling water. What is it? House made?
What is house made?
Didn't you say the sparkling water is house made or something?
I didn't hear. But then they gave us 2 bottles of water. One is sparkling and one is normal. I am having normal. He likes sparkling. And let me show you the restaurant. It's okay. It's a pretty good restaurant. Yeah, I like the decor and the lights in here. So I'm going to eat and probably video when I am back in the hotel and showing you what shopping we did. So we are done with dinner and we thought to drive to Lincoln Memorial just before going back to the hotel. This is the... So here we are on top of the building. It has names of different states: Virginia, New York, New Hampshire. I don't know, you cannot see it in the camera. South Carolina, Maryland, Mass, Connecticut, Georgia, New Jersey. I don't know what that is. Pennsylvania, Delaware. I wonder what these names are about. And then we are going up. There is President Lincoln's huge statue. These are all big pillars. This is beautiful. I am back in the hotel and I freshened up and ready for bed. My phone actually switched off while I was filming inside the Lincoln Memorial, so I couldn't video everything. But I hope I have videoed enough for you guys to see how the Lincoln Memorial looks like. I also noticed that the video is a little shaky, and that's why it's very windy outside and very, very cold, and I'm not wearing any gloves, so my hands were shivering. Anyway, I'm going to go to bed tonight, and I'm going to see you guys in my next vlog. Till then, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.